Hi guys, this is July. Did you have a terrible lighting experience in a residential location? Some urban lights in the market are installed so close to the residential, which makes backlight spill to the window, producing light trespass. In this case, how to choose a suitable light? Maybe you can get inspired from our ST52 and BL03. Alright, let's see what's the difference. The fixtures are close to the building. House-side shades offer additional control. The shades train the light emitted by the fixture and reduce the light impact on the residential. Therefore, asymmetric optical systems are very suitable for residential locations, while Type V or symmetric optical systems will not work very well. They are suitable for open lighting spaces, such as squares, parking lots, and gardens. For urban lighting, these two products can meet your different optical needs to create a warm and healthy environment. Welcome to subscribe our channel. We will keep you updated.